visions through my dreams, seeing myself swimming in the universe. My ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep. The gift I fully embrace within.
Hi everyone, welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading para po sa inyo, for those of you na makaka-resonate dito, pwedeng mag-resonate sa inyo yung buong reading na ito, or pwedeng konti lang, take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So kung kailan nyo po ito napanood, it doesn't matter kung last year pa, ko ito pinost or kanina lang, no? It's the same message. The message is meant to find you. So magsimula na tayo with the Nine of Swords, the Six of Cups, and the Page of Cups. Talaga nga naman sobrang miss na natin, no? Itong ating person. Kitang-kita na sabihin natin sleepless nights, no? Baka hindi na tayo nakakatulog ng maayos. With that being said, may separation kapag ganito, di ba? Whether nag-away kayo or hindi, pwedeng LDR, no? Separations kasi can be physical or energetic. Physical, the person might be in a different city, state, county, country, different continent, no? Or nasa kabilang ibayo lang, no? Energetic separation, pwede naman nakikita kayo, mata sa mata, pero may gap kasi hindi kayo nag-uusap, hindi kayo nagpapansinan, and that stressed you out. That is also an energetic separation, no? With the Six of Cups, miss mo na siya, no? I feel like siguro chine-check mo yung mga latest mga post nitong person mo sa social media, no? Or probably siya itong miss ka. You can switch the energies, ha? What I am reading is the dynamic naman. Alright, with the Page of Cups, kasi ganito yung nangyayari dyan. Probably some is checking the person's social media, pwedeng hindi man siya naka-block, or naka-block, still chine-check pa rin. Doon sa mga naka-block, probably gumagamit ito na ibang or ng mga dummy account, no? With the King of Pentacles and the Page of Swords, parang sa kanya hindi pa tapos itong relationship. Para sa kanya, marami pa akong pwedeng gawin, marami pa akong pwedeng i-offer, no? Pero bakit ganon? Ngayon mo lang na-realize na marami ka pang pwedeng i-offer, and when you have the chance, no, na nandoon si person sa iyo, bakit hindi mo in-offer lahat? Yun lang ang aking tanong as a tao, ha, not as a reader, as a tao, kasi nag-wonder lang ako. Meron ka pa palang mga dapat in-offer. Baka kasi may natay siyang time, no? I'm not here to judge, kaya nga, pinasok ko na naman ang sarili ko as a tao, not as a reader. Pwede rin naman na meron siyang inaantay ng mga signs, right time, ayan, yung mga ganyan. Pero sa kanya, hindi pa kayo tapos, no? With the Two of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles, the King and Queen of Pentacles showed up. So, ibig sabihin nito, either nagdadalawang isip siya, tatanggapin pa kaya ako nitong person ko, no? Kasi sa kanya, kayo pa rin, kaya ako, na maging kami, kung sakaling i-offer ko to. Or baka bigla niya isipin, it is too late, no, para mag-offer ng mga ganitong bagay. Pero kaya pa naman. I feel like siguro inaantay lang din ito ni person na bigyan mo siya ng sign para at least magawa niya, magampanan niya, mai-offer niya na kung ano itong mga dapat niyang i-offer. The Knight of Wands, the Fool card, and the Ace of Pentacles. Baka kasi may takot, no? May takot siyang mapunta. May takot siya sa commitment, probably. May takot siya sa sobrang seryosong relationship. Siguro hindi pa siya ready by that time, kaya nagkaroon ng immaturity, kaya nagkaroon ng separation. Pero nung naghiwalay kayo, sabi niya, hindi ko kayang mawala ka. Hindi ko kayang mawala ang person ko sa akin. Siguro kahit hindi pa ako ready, kakayanin ko with the full card, no? I'm going to brave myself to jump off the cliff and do what my person is asking me to do. Ayan. So, tingnan natin, nagkamali siya. Nandito ang Ace of Pentacles. Ang Ace of Pentacles kasi gagawin ko na for the sake of magkaroon kami ng new beginning, no chapter, no dito sa aming relationship. With the Seven of Wands and the Chariot, I feel like totoong hindi pa tapos sa kanya itong relationship. The Seven of Wands, I feel like your person's going to be very strategic on how they can move forward or approach you without being blocked. The Seven of Wands, let's clarify that with the World card and the Five of Swords. So parang hindi siya papayag na this is the end na of your connection. The World card, I feel like babaguhin niya yung sarili niya, pwedeng in physical form or pwedeng sabihin natin yung perception niya. No? Parang papracticing niyang kumbinsihin yung sarili niya na kailangan tanggapin ko na yung ganitong relationship, kailangan tanggapin ko na yung format, no, yung settings namin, namin ni person. Pwede din ito sa LGBTQIA+, kasi meron ako nakikita dito na at first, yung hesitations kasi is more of not giving the commitment because of sabihin nating social norms. Pwede rin naman sabihin natin na I'm thinking about what other people might have to say. Pwede rin itong, kasi we have the moon, the Fool card. Pwedeng isa sa inyo, bata, no? This might be a May-December love affair. This might not be, baka konti lang din ang gap. If that is not the case, if that is not, we're not talking about the numbers. We may be talking about the immaturity, katulad ng sinabi ko, no? Baka kasi hindi nga siya ganun ka-ready yung utak niya. Kaya pa-practicing niya na pa-practicing na this is it. I am no longer parang talagang magja-jump na ako sa adulthood, no? Magja-jump na ako sa isang seryoso na buhay kasi pwede itong cohabitation, proposal, or marriage. So yeah, this is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign of your person. Pero bago po yan, I want you to know na kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. Kung meron po kayong mga katanungan, whether this is your personal question, question ng kaibigan nyo, question ng magulang nyo, you can reach me out sa description ng video na ito. There is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1. Discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? So, tignan natin. Ang zodiac sign, of course, lalabas ang kanilang sun sign or pwedeng any placement sa kanilang chart or lumabas ang inyong zodiac sign because this is your reading. Kung hindi yung zodiac sign, it could be the placement in your chart, no? So I am seeing Cancer, I'm seeing Libra, Aquarius, Scorpio, Leo, Taurus. I'm seeing Sagittarius or Virgo, Aries. I'm seeing Gemini. Scorpio is dominant. Pisces is here. Scorpio is here. Virgo, Capricorn. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.